Just outside Bangkok, in the beachside city of Pattaya, we have ADFEST during March of every year. Alongside these pros, we have the Young Lotus competition, which features 15 teams battling for the pride and respect of their peers and industry leaders. This year's teams come from everywhere, including Bangkok, Ho Chi Minh, Hong Kong, Manila, Shanghai, Singapore, and Tokyo. These young professionals are all under the age of 28 and given a 24-hour window to race their creative engines, and they come fired up.
Hi there, my name is Rob Sherlock. I'm the chairman of the Young Lotus session. Our theme for this year is You Are What You Consume. And basically what it's actually saying is what we consume in terms of media, in terms of what we look at for reference, in terms of how we live our lives, affects the creative output of what we do. This session, which is really a core part of ADFEST, is really exciting because these are the next generation creators. It is a contest, there'll always be a winner, but I think overall we want everybody to just really leave here with a different sort of perspective and a different way of engaging with our industry.
This competition is a good opportunity to make new friends, and it's a good opportunity to learn.
It's the people that we meet here that's going to make so much of a difference, because we get to go out with like all the other people who are taking part. So we get to pick bits and pieces of their brain and see how they're thinking, and it's really interesting. So it's going to be competitive, no doubt. But I mean, like any good competition, you have to look forward with it and give your best shot.
Day one is filled with speaker sessions, workshops, brainstorming, debating, and feedback. These youngsters are given everything they can handle and more. It's all designed to help sharpen their skills and light a fire in their bellies. They'll definitely need it because once day one is over, the competition begins and the teams are put to the test. No more pencils, no more books. Lights, camera, action.